Hey everybody, if you're trying to access this activity here and you're having a problem that you're getting this message that Adobe Flash Player is blocked, I want to show you how to fix that real simply. I can look up and in this corner, it shows me this symbol that says Flash is blocked on this page. Well, if I just click that, I can then, it'll tell me that Flash is blocked, but it lets me hit this Manage button. If I click on that, it'll go to my internet settings, and I can see right here for Flash that it is currently set to block sites from running Flash. If I just click this, it switches to Ask First. And now if I go back, I can now just click, and it'll give me this message that allows me to use Flash. And now I can do this activity. If you did not see this little symbol right here, you can also get to these same settings by clicking on these three dots up in the right corner here. And then I can click on settings here. I have to click on privacy and security and then site settings and then scroll down, and this is where I can then click on and change my Flash settings.